You gonna crawl up there, Tremaine? Watch out for your brother. He's coming up there. Tremaine. Tremaine.
Mama, I like my playground.
Say this is the neighborhood playground.
Woo.
Yeah, we're gonna start coming up here more often. Get y'all out the house. Tremaine, you still in the same spot. Might want to help your brother.